A partnership between UWM Peck School of the Arts and Skylight Music Theatre is important to us for many reasons. It is incredible to have the energy of performers at the beginning of their career, the passion and wonder that they have for their craft as they're learning and developing is just very exciting to have around.
I have been able to grow a lot. I'm used to doing professional shows back home, and so it's nice to be back in sort of this professional setting while having all that support that we get at UWM.
I feel very grateful, very blessed. It's been lots of fun getting to kind of get a taste of the professional world, what it's going to be like.
I've learned just a lot of new ways of going at a show, going at a character, going at music, going at scenes.
I have spent more than half my career in the professional theater working with young artists, and there's always educating going on in any environment in a theater, and probably most places as well. And I'm not saying educating young people by the old people, I'm saying it's an even exchange. We are learning from them as they're learning from us. When you get to sort of give them an experience outside of that sort of comfort zone with professional artists, it just gives a different perspective. Different teachers, you learn different things, you pick up different things, you learn different techniques.
I have learned a lot with Michael. He has taught me a lot with what's happening in the scene and giving us all, I think, a better, clearer view, an understanding with each character. And once we actually have done the blocking so far with our songs, it really has made it like a real experience.
It's also been nice to just hear advice and hear other people's stories from the team at Skylight and other actors here at Skylight.
And also just their kindness too. I think it helps me relax a little bit going into the real world of theater, because they really just want you to succeed and do well.
They have so much knowledge to share with you, and just be open-minded, listen, but also you can ask questions, ask so many questions because they have the answers, or even if they don't, they have really amazing, important things to say, and so it's just so amazing to just hear their stories and yeah, just ask questions. It's amazing to be in their presence.